Hi everyone, in this video, I will talk about MetaMask crypto wallet review. So MetaMask is one of the most popular cryptocurrency wallets, primarily designed for Ethereum and Ethereum compatible blockchains. So some of its pros are it has an user-friendly interface, it is easy to set up and navigate. Second, it has a multi-network support, works with Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, and Polygon, and more. It has an integration with the apps, seamless connection to DeFi platforms, NFT marketplace, and Web3 applications. It has a non-custodial. Users control their private keys. Lastly, it has a hardware wallet support, compatible with Ledger and Trezor for added security. Some of its cons are the hot walletries. It is more vulnerable to hacks than hardware wallets. The transaction fees. Gas fees can be high on Ethereum. Also, it has a limited customer support. No direct customer service, making it difficult to resolve issues. Some of its key features are multi-chain compatibility. It supports Ethereum and custom networks like Avalanche and Optimism. It has a built-in swap feature. Exchange tokens directly from the wallet. Now for this, it has also a seed phrase security. Users must securely store their 12-word recovery phrase. Also, it has an NFT storage to manage and view NFTs within the wallet. Now, who should use MetaMask? DeFi users. Ideal for interacting with decentralized exchange, yield farming, and lending protocols. NFT collectors. Easily connects to OpenSea, Rarible, and other NFT platforms. Lastly, for Web3 explorers. It works well for gaming, metaverse, and decentralized applications. And that's basically it.